What's going on? It's GR Snail. I'm here with my little shitbirds. We got some car parts in the mail, courtesy of Project Motorsports in Austin. Eric will take care of you if you need some parts for your GR Corolla, for your 86, your Mazda Speed, whatever else you got. I'm pretty confident he can get it for you. So we got wheel spacers, we got Rally Armor Mudflaps, and then we also have a Mishimoto tow hook. But we don't have any tools to put these parts on with. So we're gonna go take a little trip and get some parts and then get set up to put all these new toys, new trinkets on the car. All right, so we just got here to Home Depot, about to get these tools, baby.
Look.
Look at that. What is that? That girl ain't nothing but a Nissan Cube, girl. Ain't nothing.
Yeah, but I don't.
Aisle 46. Aisle 46 is outside.
46 is outside?
I think so. Okay, you can get your snack now. You can get a snack, Chupa. Not Mila. All right, don't tell me the price. I'm just gonna pay, okay? Don't tell me how much it is. All right, chat. Successful haul. We got our stuff. Still have to go to Harbor Freight to salvage the rest of this trip. And we're gonna put these parts on today. All right, so let's see what we got. First, we gotta get the most important part, the jack stand or the jack. Oh yeah. What does this say? 2.5 ton low profile floor jack with quick lift. All right. Okay, what's next? 2 chop blocks for safety. Don't want the GR rolling away from us. Gonna go ahead and put these right here. A cargo net. Also, we got wasps because we are perpetually being chased away by wasps and hornets and yellow jackets. We got the wire brush for the wheel spacers. That's to put on to clean the area. And then we got Loctite blue 242 set hut to make sure it doesn't slip, you know. Wait right there, wait right there. Is this a good enough victory walk for you? All right, let's get going. Let's go to Harbor Freight.
I might get a drink because it's hot.
Oh yeah, we can get a drink in here. Come on. Mila, give me a hand. So we're in the right spot, it looks like. What the hell?
What is that?
Oh, this is actually what we need. Wait.
And this.
Hold on a second. We definitely do not need a new lawnmower. High torque lug nut impact socket. No. That's nice, but we don't need that one. This is exactly what we need actually. Oh, not breaker bars, torque wrench. It's gonna be, oh shit. I mean, these are it, but I don't want to pay that much for a torque wrench. Oh, is this it? Half-inch drive reversible click type torque wrench. Need up to 150 pounds. Cool. And then it needs to be No, I think this is it.
I can hold it.
Okay, get that one. Everybody, both of us.
Okay.
Let's go. I think this is it, guys. I think we have what we need. A squiggly?
I got it again.
You got it about yourself. Alright, so we just got done going to Lowe's. Well, first we went to Home Depot yesterday and we went to Harbor Freight. One of my buddies from back in the Army, he messaged me on Messenger this morning and he said, hey, I like content. I'd hate to see you die over Daytona 3-ton jack stands from Harbor Freight just blowing up and collapsing on you. So I recommend you do something about that. Take care of that. So me not wanting to take chances, I went and returned them, and you know, for some reason it's hard to find jack stands at these hardware stores. I mean, they have them, but they have to place the order, and I didn't want to wait. I'm trying to put the car parts on today. I've already waited long enough. So I came to Lowe's, grabbed some Craftsman sets, 2 of them, and now we're gonna go home and we're gonna put these bad boys to work. So that's what I've been doing this morning. Hopefully by the time, by the end of the day, the new car parts are on and my GR Corolla won't be stocked no more. I've had it for a little bit over a month. I'm going on 2 months now. And I love it. I love it just the way it is, but I'm going to do some cosmetic changes to it. I'm not going to show you how to do those things because I'm not a mechanic by any means. Don't take any advice from me. This YouTube channel is going to be all about me, how I drive, where I'm driving, meets, races, that kind of thing. I am not here to help you guys do anything. Whatever you see me doing on here, I'm taking a risk with my vehicle. I recommend that you do your research and you take the risks that you are willing to take on your car. But I'm here to document it all. So to kick it off, I had to get some stuff because I'm not like a hardcore like car modder enthusiast type of person. Any performance vehicle I've had in the past, I've always bought it and kept it the way it was. So whether it was a Mustang or a Durango or whatever other vehicle, I had motorcycle, F-150 EcoBoost with the turbos, you know, whatever performance parts were on that vehicle, that's just how I got it. But this vehicle, I'm going to change that. I'm going to mod this vehicle as much as possible, as much as I can afford. And I have the 2 wheel blocks, right? So when I lift it, I don't want it to go roll backwards. I got 2 Craftsman jack stands, 3 tons, right? And then I also got a shop stool to sit and record videos and also to help me move around my really, really messy garage, which you'll see here in a second how messy it actually is. But yeah, so I'm gonna start with this shop tool and then I'll open up all these boxes and then I'll show you what I'm installing. So let's get to it. All right, so I got the Craftsman shop stool installed. Was not that difficult at all. Actually, it was pretty easy. I thought it was gonna be a lot more intricate, but Craftsman saved me a lot of the time and effort. And yeah, literally took like 5 minutes. So we're off to a good start. Let's hope the rest of this install goes according to plan. So I have the area situated mostly. Now I'm gonna open up these boxes that I ordered. These are Mishimoto and Rally Armor. I got them from Project Motorsports. So if you're looking to get parts and any kind of cosmetic things, the guy's name is Eric. He's a great guy. I met him a long time ago when I tried to sell him a Ford. He didn't buy, but we kept in touch, and I finally got a car that's pretty nice. That's where I got the parts from, and I got a good deal on them. Okay, so here we have the Rally Armor Mudflaps. Right, we got them in red with black lettering. These are gonna look good with the heavy metal. I was gonna go with white, the white ones, but I thought better of it. You know, I like black accents better. So that's what we have in this one. It's gonna be going on, and because we're also gonna be doing the mud flaps, the tires have to come off. So I thought maybe, you know, let's widen the stance. So it looks a little bland without wheel spacers. I've seen them with wheel spacers, and they all look pretty aggressive. You know, the GR Corolla is already super aggressive, but wheel spacers just give it that little bit of extra width, that girth. You know what I'm saying? And I decided to go with 25 in the rear and 20 in the front. This is what they look like. Yeah, look how stout these things are. The second pair, these might be the 25 millimeters. Okay, this is gonna be the second pair. This is gonna be the front 20 millimeter spacers. Nice, same packaging. Super premium. I didn't get any stickers. Oh, I guess you only get that with performance parts, but that's okay. Yeah, these are slightly, I mean, they're only 5 millimeters thinner, right? So let me show you the comparison. Oh, that's a huge difference. I don't know what I'm talking about. Look at that. Okay, and then the last and final mod for this video is going to be a tow hook. Black with the red to match the theme. Let's jack up the car and start getting this thing done, man. That's all there is to do. All right, let's jack it up. Oh, I just hit the fucking door. Okay, I just scratched my fucking door. Golly. Did not think this through. Well, mistakes are gonna be made, so I feel like that one could have been avoided, to be honest with you. Now we're just gonna lower it slowly. We got the first part, hard part. These things are super dirty. All that brake dust, it's not even dirt, it's just straight up brake dust. Oh, let's get these things off. All right, we got the wheels off. We're winning, okay? A win is a win, and we're learning. So wheels are off. Gonna start working on the mud flaps. All right. I was wondering if they did that wheel stuff to take off the wheel spacer or spring spacer, and it doesn't look like it's in there. So I'm not really worried about that. Let's start working on those mud flaps. Okay, so I finished installing the wheel spacers. I mean, not the wheel spacers, the Rally Armor mud flaps. And that was a bitch, dude. Not gonna lie. I didn't watch too many videos on it, but even watching videos doesn't really help when you're looking at all the parts and pieces that go into it. But they're on there, nonetheless. Looking good, almost done. Gotta put together the wheel spacers now. So I'm gonna start by removing the 10 millimeter spacer that's on the back here. Ow, that hurts. Okay. So it's not on there very tight. All right, so I put the wheels back on. Only thing left to do now is jack it down, or jack it. No diddy. Time to bring it off the stands. Okay, already looking super aggressive. It's dirty as shit, but it is a rally car. Rally inspired if you want to be technical, but I use it for what it's for. I drive in the rain. I like going into the mud. So without further ado, let's bring it down. All right, time to torque them down. Let's go ahead and do that now. Still set to 80 foot-pounds. 76, between 76 and 80. Oh yeah, time to see the fruits of my labor. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Y'all better watch out, dog. Alright, so we're done. That's what it looks like now. Look how that came out. Holy shit, dude. That thing's a different car. Lessons I learned doing my first ever car mods on my own that I did not buy. Okay, 1, gloves. My hands were dirty. I'm pretty sure all the cake stuff is on my steering wheel now, so I'm gonna have to wipe my steering wheel down. My clothes probably has a bunch of that. 2 is know your car, read the owner's manual. I did not read the owner's manual. I went off of YouTube videos alone, but I didn't understand what they were talking about, and I made some mistakes, almost lost a finger, but we didn't, so a win is a win. Next mistake or lesson that I learned is make sure that your area is conducive to working on a vehicle. My garage is dirty. I'm not gonna lie, it's not clean. I did make it better recently, and I'm continuing to work on it. You know, once your garage gets dirty, it's kind of a fucking pain in the ass to clean up, but we've been cleaning up. I can park the car in here, but I don't have enough room to work. So get your area situated. Mistake number 2 is have somebody help you out. You know, I should have invited somebody to come guide me through the process. There's a lot of do it yourself, and like some things you can only learn by doing. But I think if someone had been here and guided me through the process, it would have been a lot less painful. So those are my lessons learned. Did the car. Gonna put up a video tomorrow. It looks so good. It's so much wider. The mud flaps look crazy. And oh, I didn't even add the last part. I still gotta add the tow hook. So I'm gonna work on that. I'm gonna shoot the video tomorrow. Catch y'all later.